Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Tech Wars. I love sharing tips and reviews to help you make the best choices for your home. Today, we're diving into the best cordless vacuums of 2024. Whether you're tired of dealing with tangled cords or just need an upgrade, you'll love these top models. Imagine effortlessly moving from room to room, cleaning every corner without any limitations. Sounds amazing, right? Let's explore the top 5 cordless vacuum models of 2024 and see how they can make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient. First up, we have the Dyson V15 Detect. This model uses laser technology to reveal hidden dust, completely transforming your cleaning experience. With 230 AW of suction power and intelligent sensors, it performs perfectly on any surface. The powerful features of the Dyson V15 Detect allow you to see and clean even the tiniest dust particles in your home. This is a huge benefit for those with allergies or small children. The intelligent sensors detect dirt on the floor and automatically adjust the suction power, ensuring you always get the best cleaning performance. If you have pets or struggle with allergies, the Dyson V15 Detect is perfect for you. It keeps your home clean and hygienic, promoting a healthier living environment. Next, we have the Shark IZ462H Anti-Allergen PowerFlex. This vacuum is known for its powerful suction and anti-allergen filter. Plus, with PowerFlex technology, it easily reaches under furniture. The powerful suction of the Shark IZ462H provides effective cleaning on all floors and carpets. Its anti-allergen filter traps dust and allergens, ensuring cleaner air. And with PowerFlex technology, you can easily reach under furniture, keeping every corner of your home spotless. This model is perfect for homes that need heavy-duty cleaning and families sensitive to allergies. It offers a powerful and effective solution to keep your home clean. Third, we have the Taneco Pure One S12. With its smart sensor technology and digital display, this vacuum ensures optimal cleaning on any surface. Its quiet operation and long battery life make it a great convenience for users. The smart sensor technology in the Taneco Pure One S12 detects dirt on the floor and automatically adjusts the suction power. The digital display allows you to easily monitor the vacuum's status and battery life. Its quiet operation is a huge advantage for families with young children, as it won't disturb anyone while cleaning. Families with young kids and tech enthusiasts will love this model. Its smart features and quiet operation make cleaning easier and more enjoyable. Fourth on our list is the LG Cord Zero A9 Ultimate. With its dual battery system and powerful suction, this vacuum offers long-lasting cleaning performance. Plus, its interchangeable heads make it suitable for all types of surfaces. The dual battery system of the LG Cord Zero A9 Ultimate lets you clean continuously without interruption. Its powerful suction effectively removes dirt and dust. With interchangeable heads, it performs excellently on both carpets and hard floors. This model is perfect for large homes and those who need extended cleaning time. The LG Cord Zero A9 Ultimate keeps your home spotless with its powerful performance and long battery life. Last but not least, we have the Roborock H7. Known for its lightweight design and powerful suction, this vacuum offers great convenience with its fast-charging feature and large dustbin capacity. The lightweight design of the Roborock H7 makes cleaning easy. Its powerful suction works effectively on all surfaces. With fast charging, you can quickly get your vacuum ready for use again. The large dustbin capacity means you don't have to empty it frequently. This is a great option for small to medium-sized homes. The Roborock H7 makes your cleaning tasks easier with its lightweight and handy design. Each of these models caters to different needs, and they are all fantastic options. By choosing the cordless vacuum that best fits your needs, you can simplify your cleaning routine and enhance your quality of life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video.